to when you come in
If you have your...
things, just press up on the top of the tree there, and then we see the black car just black there.
Tiki, you know I'm not a person to argue. I'm not an fighter, argumentative person. I'm not that kind of person. I just want you to stop. I'm not that kind of person. You know I am. I know I'm so man.
Alright, Miss Cute Shorty, I really like your miss, and I don't want you to stay up here and then people will start disrespect you. So we have to you come down here.
Listen, O'Neal, they want disrespect because you know why? You know why? Because nobody don't know who they're talking to.
Only let's see
okay? Bad man in a dress and angels and no full of corruption. All right, no problem.
All right, baby, take care. Mr. Alone, cash out your send the inbox.
Right, can I see my blood clot friend live? It has scraping up. When I see the only live, I just a scraping up. I always love compound only live. I'm only tell me the truth. Only is community orientated and I like warrior. I want to get out of the comment section now.
Some things now going for some of the girls in right now. People sell for the police station. That's on a cool time now. I'm in those people spawn a live from when and as your pepper spray tick your click live with over 1,700.
Thank you for the hype and the cloud. They may not tell us to strike you
somebody, mama. You click live yesterday, you get about 1,700 at people. What have you done?
I look straight off the
You look like I'm going to lick you, O'Neal, and click me live. I'm going to know. You know, my best I make it there, I love. I bet even they start telling us that I'm going to be asked, well, I need surgery for my life.
Cloud chaser them.
Nurse Brown.
Yes.
Tiki trying to make this happen.
Good morning.
To him, load them.
Good evening.
How are you doing? You listen to people now?
Give me a listen, man. I listen to people a long time.
Bami. Just hear from them. You know that there's several communities within the community. There's some people very classy. We don't hang around certain people. We hang around thieves and criminals. Stay by ourselves. And you know, we just want the good for you, just to stay away from some people. I mean, I know big one mean you're good and him like you, but big one is not the company for you. I don't know. I mean, making just not the good company.
Nurse Brown, stop.
Look your Nurse Brown. I don't mean I like Nurse Brown. Nurse Brown like ties.
Problem by yourself. You have my phone number. You can call me if you have something. Nurse Brown, jump out of the box now. Nurse Brown, go with you after that one time. I'm never worried that you have a...
If you want people...
Nurse Brown, stop look worries by yourself. Nurse Brown, if me go you go blood clot, go but me say jump or go on. You can't turn here with me there. You know my phone number. Jump down. No parlight, you know you move over to man.
The tomato drop off a stove.
Nurse Brown, go on. You hear me I tell you? Alright, you know about the judgment still. Alright.
Mr. I'm going to take a wash off and come back.
You have the phone number. If you have anything to say, you have your opinion, and your own perspective. Everybody obligated to their own perspective. And you think something what's best of me, I want to best of me, and so forth. And you can say to me as a friend or as anybody to me then.
I'm never have blood power. Don't get me out now.
That's on the media.
Give me back on 3 bills and I'm a cash up because I got to
media.
Pick up people business for my head. How would you get $300 O'Neal?
Only Henry.
How would you get $300 right now? At 5 bills, I work at daytime in our 6 bills, you know, Roger.
Your son not even one road, you not get galang work on you. Then put Henry Nurse Brown. Henry Good Girl Nurse Brown.
Okay, Nicole Brown. Paper request. I'm going to Nurse Brown on 1 point. Girl from here, them know my life never shot a thing. When they see me in the black in the short up skirt, I'm a pretty niggery.
No, sexy.
But girl, Diggy, you can't left Destiny and what's your name then now? What's your name? Rose.
Nobody can shot me, girl. Lois Destiny. And Destiny and Rosalie about you. This argument, them not involved in the... I said, damn me, that people
are... O'Neal. Come here, O'Neal. You know, some love Rosalie. When you met Rosalie, Rosalie on TikTok and Rosalie to cuss me. I'm going to send me cash.
You're one of the Batman where used to grind Rosalie, Rogel.
I'm not gay. I used to stop about Rosalie. Rosalie know this. Mr. Rosalie used to call me and cuss. I said, Bumma, and I said, something like cash.
Rosalie too chicken.
One time I church line, I'm a cash up for Rosalie. I'm going to name the money. It didn't look up if it's that much to Western. And you know, me I keep it. I said, we don't know next year.